Welcome back to JC Motive Garage. So it's a wonderful morning here in Virginia. It's about 50 degrees. So we're going to get the Honda all ready to go today. We're going to clean up the interior, finish doing the headlights and putting the trim on it. And hopefully later on today we can get it up for sale. But I just want to do a quick overview of the car and what it looks like now. Wait till you see this. All right, so there's the 95 Accord EX two-door that we've been working on. Still need to put some trim panel on there, get some headlights cleaned up, and the tires cleaned up, the wheels cleaned up in the interior. But look at this. This looks so nice. Bodywork's all been done. It's painted matte black. All done. Oh my goodness, look at this. All that hard work that we've been doing to it. I think it looks so much better from when we first got it. So if you haven't checked it out, please check out our first couple videos when we first picked up the Honda, driving it home, and when we first got it, before we pulled it out, what it looked like. There's a video there, and you can check out our playlist on the Accord when we first got it and all the work that we've been doing to it. But I'll show you the interior real quick, and then show you that third brake light. That third brake light we hooked up with the spoiler looks so nice too. I know we need to get the seats shampooed. We're gonna do that today, but we got some mats. Look at this. Doesn't even look like a 95, besides a little bit of scratches, but look at this. Spoiler works. Spoiler, or the sunroof works. It's really nice. Now let's see that third brake light on. Let's see what it looks like here. Where he's gonna push on the brakes so we can see it. So we can see it lit up. Look at that. That's awesome. I like it. Do it again. Yes. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Looks so nice. Bumper's gone out of it. Here, start it up real quick so they can hear it. Start up. Nope. No squeal. Starts right up. RPMs are good. Still a little bit cold. There's no lights on. No check engine light, no SRS airbag light on, nothing. It's got a Kenwood aftermarket radio in there, some Kenwood speakers. So we're gonna seat shampoo today, the back seat shampoo. We're gonna clean up the wheels, and we're gonna wash it. With all that, then we'll be right back and show you after we're done, and then we'll do the headlights, and we're gonna do a little bit to the cowl. We got to paint the cowl because we got a little bit of the primer on it, and it's just all sun-baked, so we're gonna do that. But besides that, we're pretty much done with this. So let's go take it up to get the sheet shampooed, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got the rest of the car done. All the windows washed inside and out, cleaned, all the stickers scraped off of it, got the wheels cleaned up. So we'll do a quick view, and then we're going to take it for a ride, go over to Brian's house and where the Datsun is, and I'm going to have him check it out, see what he thinks. So let's go. Alright, so there you go. We just got to clean up the headlights Just got to put the trim on it, but I'm waiting for those pieces to come in, so probably Monday we'll get those put in. But other than that, look how clean the windows look. Look how clean the tires and the wheels look. Look at that. For a 95, I think this looks awesome. Look at that. So we're gonna jump in it and we're gonna go over to Brian's house, and then on our way back we'll get the shampooed carpets or the seats shampooed. But let's go over there and see what he thinks. All right, so what I use on all my cars that I get that are older, I use the Power Plastic for Lights plastic polish by Mothers. Comes with a little kit and thing for your drill. This also comes off here, and you can put a sandpaper disc on it. So it comes with like 2000 grit wet sandpaper stuff. So if they're really bad, you can do that. But I love this stuff. So we're gonna do this, and you're gonna see before and after. So let's do it. All right, so we got the headlights cleaned up a little bit. Not gonna do a whole lot. Sanding them down and everything like that. I think they look pretty good. So we need this car sold so we can work on another car. So I got the trim piece in on that side. That side's still gonna need some, so we got to get 3 clips. But the clips that I have for the other side, I just made it work for that side. So we just need 3. So we did that. So this is pretty much it. I'll show you the interior real quick and get in with it. So I got some mats. I got that cleaned up. That's all done. Back seat here. This is all cleaned up back here. We got a thing for the for sale sign, so we're gonna put that in there. Might clean up a little bit of the back, but I think we're gonna go put it up there at Brian's house, and we're gonna put it up for sale. So I think it looks good. So comment below. Let me know what you think of the Honda Accord, 95 Honda Accord, 143,000 miles and everything they do to it. So check it out. Hey, so I want to give a big shout out to 719 Lifestyle on YouTube. If you want to check them out, check his channel out. I'll put a link in the comment below. Check out his Mustang that he has on there, some cars, some trains, and some other stuff. So he has a really good channel. Check him out. Please subscribe, and I'll put a link in the description below. Just want to give a shout out to him because he's been commenting on our videos and stuff like that, and he's been helping us out. So I appreciate all the help and everything you've done for us. Yeah, check him out. All right, well, I think that's a wrap for the 95 Accord and everything we did to it. So we just got to finish the body clip on that one side, but tomorrow I'll go by the body shop store and our body shop and go pick up those clips, put that in there. But besides that, we're gonna go put it up at Brian's house and put it up for sale. So if you want to check out our other videos, I got a playlist on the 95 Accord. So when we first picked it up, it didn't run good, had some coolant issues, had some spark plug issues, coolant, CV axle, brakes, sway bar linkage, and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to check those videos out on our 95 Accord, we're gonna check those out. But I think that's a wrap for this for the Accord. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like, share our channel, and we'll see you next time on JC Motor Garage. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye to the Accord.